In this video, I'll show you how to add Facebook reviews to your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a couple different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elfsight. Now that's going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the review section, and down below you will find Facebook reviews. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says Create Widget for Free. Now that's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press on F11, and on the right corner of the window, click on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left-hand side, we have about 6 options. On the source section, this is where we can add our source, and to do that, simply head over to Facebook, copy the URL, and then paste it right in here. Once you're done, you should be able to see the reviews, and at the bottom, you will have this AI-generated summary feature. Simply click on that one, and if you want to keep it on, you can change the summary style from a list to a text, and if you don't want to keep this on, then just simply toggle it off. On the layout section, this is where you can change your layout, and if you go to the See All Layouts button, you will see all of the layouts that are available, as well as badges. Once you're done picking your layout, go up to the top and right corner and click on Done. Below, you can even customize each and every layout. You can change the width, the columns, the rows on mobile, as well as the item spacing. If you have a carousel or a slider layout, you will have an option for autoplay, change the animation, as well as the scroll mode. On the header section, this is where you can change the style of your header. You will have a lot of selections to choose from. And once you've selected the one that you want, each and every style has its own elements. You can simply check this or uncheck if that is something that you want to add or not add. Below, you can also change the widget title, or what you could also do is turn this off if this is something that you don't want to do. On the review section, this is where you can change your review style. You have about 3 options. And below, you can also change the review source style. And if you click on the Customize button here below, you can also show the things that you want to show within your reviews. On the style section, this is where you can change your color scheme from light to dark, as well as change the accent color depending on how you want your widget to look like. Below, you can also change the color of the background, header, rating, review, navigation arrows, as well as the pagination. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio Website Designer. Once you're on your Wix Studio Website Designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections, and then click on Add Section. At the bottom, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed in Social. In here, on embed code on the right hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, go to the top and click on enter code. And on the left hand side, you just want to press on Ctrl V to paste the code. But before that, you have to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so anything that is in here, be sure to remove that. Now press on Ctrl V, and once that's done, head over to the update button here below in order for you to view the changes. Once you do, you want to head over to the corners of the frame, hold, and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. Another thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right click, and then click on copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you just want to click on the widget, and then at the top, click on edit code. On the left hand side, we just want to paste the code, so press on Ctrl V. And under font family on the right hand side, you can choose the types of fonts that you want to add within the widget. And once you're done, simply click on the update button here below so we can see the changes. As you can see, we have successfully changed the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have Facebook reviews on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.